Welcome to this video from the P-Way Engineer. In this video, we'll be breaking down the various components of a railway crossing and explaining how they work together to ensure the safety of drivers and trains, whether you're a train enthusiast or just curious about the infrastructure of our transportation systems. This video will provide you with an understanding of the parts of a railway crossing. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn. By the end of the video, you will know the names of the parts of a crossing, as well as know a little about their function within the overall crossing. Please share your thoughts, or ask any questions in the comments. The first part of the crossing we will look at is the crossing V. The V is the area where the two rails that are crossing over each other join. For more on the different ways the V can be constructed, check out our crossing construction types or intro to S&C videos. Next up is the crossing nose. This is the end of the V, where two rails taper down to a point. It also tapers off in height. This helps avoid damage as wheels transition over it. Wheels run off or onto the nose, depending on the direction of travel, as they go through the wheel transfer area. More on the wheel transfer area in a second. Another key thing to remember about the nose of the crossing is measurements, such as the leg lengths, taken from the crossing nose. The wing rails are either side of the V. The space between the wings and V is known as the flange way. This is, as the name suggests, the area the wheel flange passes through. The wing rails help, along with the check rails on the opposite rails, guide the train wheel and ensure it stays on the rail. Next up is the wheel transfer area. The wheel transfer area is the running surface of the crossing, where the train wheel transfers from the wing rail to the crossing V, or vice versa. In this area the wheel goes unsupported for a distance. It is then picked up again by the opposite side of the crossing. This means that, especially in crossings with poor surrounding track condition, that the parts of the crossing in the wheel transfer area are susceptible to damage. The neck, or knuckle, is the narrowest space between the wing rails. This is in front of the crossing V. All these parts are important for the crossing to function as designed in track and allow one track to safely cross another. If you want to know more about switches and crossings, why not check out some of our other videos over at our channel. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. We have a lot more exciting content on the way, and you won't want to miss a single video.